if a huge smallmouth hits this, I'm gonna be screwed. Absolutely screwed. It's something small. It's not. It's something. We got something at least. I don't know what we got. We have a little smallmouth. One small little smallmouth. All right, Jacob, we got one. Smallmouth. Let's hold him up for the camera. Oh yeah, come on, put those fins up for us. Yeah. Do it again, come on. Yeah, okay, let him go. Oh, there's another smallmouth. Oh man, he's putting on a show. He's putting on a show. Oh my goodness. Oh. Jake, we got another one. He's jumping. Oh, come on. I don't know how I want to unhook this poor fish. What the hell? That's a weird hook set. Okay. That poor fish. Okay. We gotta nurse him back to health. Okay, he's good. Oh, yep, there was one. There's one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. 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 That's what I'm talking about. There's a bigger one. There's a bigger smallmouth. Oh, you got caught before. Nice. 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 He bit me. Damn. Oh, 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 there's one. Oh, there's one, there's one, there's one. They don't really do a good job of hitting these lures. Oh, he's feisty. He's angry. Is that a fish? That cannot be another fish. Oh my gosh, it is. It's the smallest little smallmouth. Look at this. I'm destroying him today. And just like his lip, I'm destroying his lip. Poor bass.